Good. Alright, this is February 25th box break on eBay of Artifacts. Box code 95914330. No, don't zoom. Zoom out. It's not going to happen, guys, but that's the code. Oh, sorry. Let's go through the winners first. Sorry. The Artifacts February 25th winners are Y Animal 1981 has the Flyers. Lan 2012 has the Senators. STC Guns 54 has the Jets. Spezza 1919 has the Lightning. Miller House has the Islanders. T-Voth 88 has the Hurricanes. 1331 has the Blues. Bubbling 38. Predators. Rock 5150. Blackhawks. Lord Stanley's. Jester. Avalanche. Crazy Card Guy has the Bruins, Penguins, Leafs, Capitals, Canadians, Kings, Flames, and Oilers. NJ Devilsman has the Devils, Sabres, Sharks, Coyotes, Ducks. Jay Ronick has the Stars and Blue Jackets. Shank 70 has the Rangers and the Red Wings. Blue Island Man has the Wild, and the Animaniac has the Panthers and Canucks. Ten packs. Is there enough light? Pack one. Pack one, we start off with a Hockey Legends Bobby Clark, number 2, $9.99. Good. Base, base, base. Let's see if anybody's here. Nope. Pack 2, we have a dual jersey card, number to 125 of Sam Gagne for the Edmonton Oilers. Spacer, base, base. Pack 3, we have a rookie of Carson McMillan out of $9.99. Spacer, base, base. Base. And behind that we have a Corey Elkins Kings Autofax. Spacer, base, base. We have a base, base, and behind that we have a rookie of Timu Harkinen out of $9.99. Spacer, base card. Next pack, we have a base card, and behind that we have a Henrik and Daniel Sedin out of 10, dual jersey. It is a red parallel out of 10, base, base. We have a base, and behind that we have a Emerald Parallel of 99 of Victor Hedman. Spacer, base. We have a base, spacer, and behind that to the Buffalo Sabres Artifacts Redemption card. Red 204. No? Again, Buffalo Sabres. Base. We have a base card, and we have a Stars Henrik Sedin out of 999. Spacer, base, and last pack should be our big one. It is a base card, Luc Robitaille, and behind that we have a Mike Bossy dual jersey, treasured swatches out of 135. 135, Mike Bossy dual jersey. Spacer, base card. How many minutes are we at?
6:50.
6.
Almost 7.
Alright guys, that's it for Artifacts. That will be posted on YouTube. I will send all 3 links once I'm done doing all the videos. So good luck in the next box breaks if you're a part of it. Thanks.